Guys, and welcome to the episode number 2 of this Chelsea Soccer Manager Career Mode. This is going to be a very interesting episode because we have the London Derby against Arsenal, and also the Champions League begins. It's going to be big, the Champions League. We have got a decent group consisting of Napoli, so hopefully we are gonna make the most of it. And guys, one more thing, our first ever player of the episode award, like first time I'm introducing this. So the last time the player of the episode now goes to Tammy Abraham. In his 4 games he scored 3 goals and he was very vital to us. And yeah, Tammy Abraham, he deserves this. So today I'm gonna introduce 2 season objectives. Next episode I'm gonna introduce 2. So the 2 season objectives I'm gonna introduce today are, you can see them on the screen right now. So first is Captain America. So in this one we have to score or assist 30 times with Christian Pulisic. And the second one is can't take consistency. So in this one we have to have a average match rating of above 8 with N'Golo Kante all season. So that's gonna be tough, but it's N'Golo Kante. So without any delays, let's get started. Guys, we can't make transfers in, but we can let transfers out. So Marco Van Ginkel. So yeah, he's 26, just 72 rated, not that great. So I'm gonna get rid of him. So hopefully that gives us extra 12-15 mil. That would help us make some other transfers. And again, Baker is in the same situation. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of him. That's few players I'm gonna get rid of. So a transfer offer has come in from Bayer Leverkusen for Baker, 12 mil. I think I'm satisfied with that offer. I'm happy with that. I might end up asking a bit more for Van Gickler, like around 13-14, but for Baker, I think it's a fair offer. That's a good offer. So Baker is gone and Ross Barkley is injured. You know what, Ross Barkley, I don't mean much about Barkley. And the League Cup third round draws are out, and we're gonna face Carlis United. I've never heard of them. Guys, the transfer deadline day is over, and now let's see some transfers from around the world. Jude Bellingham from Birmingham to Bournemouth, okay. Mark Bertra from Real Betis to United on deadline day. No, not on deadline day, okay, that was my mistake, for 40 mil. Jose Gaya from Valencia to Liverpool. I don't understand why Liverpool need Gaya, like 71.5 mil for Gaya, that's good. Then some other good transfers. Danilo Pereira from Porto to West Ham. You know what? That's a good one from West Ham, and this time it was on transfer deadline day. Then Declan Rice from West Ham United to Manchester City, again on transfer deadline day for 66 million. Then Chiesa from Fiorentina to Manchester United for 61.6 million, and I think that's it. Those were some transfers. You know what? Everybody has done some decent movement in the transfer window, but we are coming. Guys, Kepa Arrizabalaga has been named in the Premier League Team of the Month, and he has also been named the Chelsea Club Player of the Month. You know what? That's very good. Kepa, he is an important part of our squad. He's a very important part of our squad. So guys, for the trip to the Emirates, this is the team I'm going for. Abraham down the middle, Pulisic on the left, Willian on the right, Kovacic, Kante, Jorginho, Emerson, Rudiger, Christensen and Azpilicueta. Kepa stays in goal. For Arsenal team, Arsenal look quite similar, I would say. Aubameyang, Nelson, Dani Ceballos, Nicola Pepe, Luca Torreira, Granit Xhaka, Luis, Socrates, Hector Bellerin and Seth Kolasinac. I don't think they have made any notable signings. I don't think they have even made a signing. Oh, guys, up last season's player of the episode, Tammy Abraham has scored, and he scored a brace. Tammy Abraham has scored a brace, and Willian, who is now an Arsenal player, being an Arsenal fan, I love it. But now he scored against them. We are thrashing, we are dismantling Arsenal. And at this point of time, let's make some substitution. Reece James comes in, and then you know what? Let's give youngsters a go. We're thrashing them. Willian, he's getting old. He needs to know that youngsters need to get a shot at it. N'Golo Conte has scored. He scored in the UEFA Super Cup against Liverpool, and Mason Mount has scored. And now this is humiliating for Arsenal. Mason Mount, we brought him in for Willian. My English is all over the place, but we brought him in for Willian. He's done the job. Tammy Abraham again coming up clutch. Pulisic gets the assist. That's in fact very good for us in terms of the season objectives, and I'm happy. Guys, we are currently top of the Premier League with 12 points out of a possible 12. Liverpool are there with the same GD, and Tammy Abraham is dominating proceedings in terms of scorers. He is gonna be very important to us, very important. Guys, against West Ham, I've started a relatively young team. Giroud gets his first appearance of the season. Callum Hudson-Odoi, Mason Mount, Loftus-Cheek, Conte, Kovacic, Alonso, Rudiger, Tomori, Reece James, and Kepa. I've started a very young team against West Ham. Well, we have the stalwarts on the bench, so if we need them, we can bring them in anytime. Guys, what is it about Conte? He's scoring, and Callum Hudson-Odoi has also scored. N'Golo Conte is scoring at will for us. Our captain, he's a leader. Do I want to make any changes? You know what? I'll make a solitary one. I'll bring on Jorginho for Kovacic. And yeah, I think that's it. Probably Emerson. No, let it be. I think we are doing well. 2-0 against West Ham at home. It looks like it's gonna be a solid performance from us. And guys, we round it up with a 3-0 win against West Ham. Callum Hudson-Odoi scoring a brace. I'm a real admirer of Hudson-Odoi, and he's a good backup to Christian Pulisic on that left. Really happy with how we're doing. Yeah, and I'm happy. And guys, many of you might be thinking that it comes, please check your internet connection. The problem is that if I connect to internet, there are a lot of ads, and it's very boring for the ads to come, so that's why I don't use internet. That's it. Guys, it is that time again. We're gonna play Krasnodar in our first Champions League game. I've gone in with the strongest possible 11. Kurt Zouma starts in defense for this one. I'm really confused between Christensen and Zouma, who has to be our number one, and my left backs. Like, left back is a region where we need to improve, and it's maybe gonna be the number one region where we're gonna improve. So Krasnodar, it's been an okay game till now. I might consider bringing in Mason Mount. He has been excellent for us, Mason Mount. Young, agile, means not in terms of this, but he's got 2 goals to his name. You know what? Why not? Like, should I? Willian's experience, you know what? I'm going in for Mason Mount. Come on. Hopefully we can get an result. And Krasnodar have really held us here. 0-0, and I'm like, their keeper has to be the man of the match. Their keeper is the man of the match. I told you guys, their keeper has held us. Like, oh, what a performance from that keeper. He made 6 saves. You know what? We really should have won that game. Like, away from home against Krasnodar, they are maybe the worst team in our group. Midfielders perform well. Kepa does well. Zouma had a good game. Then the Mount didn't have a good game. Like, I'm not that satisfied, to be honest. Now guys, we're gonna play Crystal Palace at Selhurst Park. Everybody knows how tough it's to go at Selhurst Park, and Max Meyer has scored. Oh my goodness. We are the only 100% record team in the whole Premier League currently, and Selhurst Park, it's very tough to go to Selhurst Park, and I think Tammy Abraham scored there. Regardless, I'm gonna bring in, no, not Jorginho, not at all. Then, you know, there are no changes I can make. Just go all out attack. Just show the world we can do it. Yes, Abraham scored. I was just not able to see it. Selhurst Park. And Tammy Abraham has scored a brace. He might be in the contention for the player of the episode this time around also, and he scored a hat-trick. Tammy Abraham has scored a hat-trick against Crystal Palace away from home at Selhurst Park. I think that's his 11th goal of the season already. And like Tammy is destroying Tammy Abraham. What a player, what a youngster Tammy Abraham is. What a player. Look at how good does it feel? Like Tammy Abraham, 10 goals. But how did Hudson Odoi get on that list? And Conte is there with 4. Hudson Odoi in 3 Premier League games has 5 goals. Wow. Conte has 4. Willian has 3. Like, I am astonished by that record. That's a very good record. And Pulisic has the most assists. So it's working perfectly for us. We're top of the Premier League, and now we're gonna play a third division team or fourth division team. My whole second team is gonna start in this one. I can guarantee you that. So guys, I've started my number 2 team here. Oliver Giroud, Callum Hudson-Odoi, Pedro, Barkley, Loftus-Cheek, Jorginho, Emerson, Zuma, Tomori, Christensen, and Kepa. Look, I can't start Willy Caballero. He's 38. Kepa is gonna play all the matches. I might consider bringing in like a keeper who is young and kind of a backup. But any which way, we have to win against them. Come on, I will be shocked if we don't. And Callum Hudson-Odoi and Olivier Giroud scores, and Tomori has scored, and now we're dominating proceedings. Look at my bench, the ratings of my bench, except Caballero obviously, but Callum Hudson-Odoi. Look at Callum Hudson-Odoi. He's bowling out Hudson-Odoi, and oh my goodness, he's gonna compete with Tammy Abraham for the Golden Boot at this rate. Hudson-Odoi gets the man of the match. Everybody in green ratings for us. I'm happy with it. Very happy with the performance, boys. Guys, look at these first stats. Tammy Abraham, 9 games, 10 goals, 5 man of the matches, average rating of 8.6. Callum Hudson-Odoi, 4 appearances, 7 goals, 3 man of the matches, average rating of 9.25. Oh my, Hudson-Odoi is bowling out, as is Christian Pulisic. He needs to step it up a bit, I would say. Oh my goodness, Callum Hudson-Odoi, what a player he is turning out to be. And it had to happen. Like, we're gonna play Liverpool in the 4th round of the League Cup. How unlucky are we to draw Liverpool? How unlucky are we? Guys, rounding off the episode with the big one. Chelsea versus Manchester City. City wanted Conte. We didn't give him that. Didn't give them that. And now they are here to visit the Stamford Bridge. I'm going with my possibly best 11. Abraham, Pulisic, Willian, Kovacic, Conte, Jorginho, Emerson, Rudiger, Zuma, Aspilicueta and Kepa. Whereas Manchester City look quite similar. They have Silvas in the midfield and Fernandinho in defense. That's something, I think, something we can conquer them on with the kind of form Abraham is in. And don't be surprised if I end up bringing in Hudson-Odoi, because Callum Hudson-Odoi has been bowling out, and Willian on the biggest match against the champions of England. Like, they were the champions of England according to this. So like, I want to bring in Hudson-Odoi. Like, he's been proving himself at the biggest stage. And Pulisic, you know what, Pulisic is our number 1 left winger. But you know what, Christian, let's give it to Callum. Callum Hudson-Odoi is in. Hopefully he can make an influence. He can do something for us. Guys, I'm speechless about this young talent named Callum Hudson-Odoi. Like, on what planet does he live? He's scoring goals for fun. That also from the left wing position. And he's turning out to be a real deal here. We have beaten City easily. Callum Hudson-Odoi, how good is Hudson-Odoi? I am so surprised. My pencil in my hand fell down, but Callum Hudson-Odoi, how is Hudson-Odoi so good? Oh my goodness, Callum Hudson-Odoi. Pulisic needs to pull up his socks, because if he stays this way, Callum Hudson-Odoi might take up the place. Look at this. He is on a different planet altogether. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And guys, one thing that I noticed, it is Billy Gilmore. Billy Gilmore is gonna get promoted to the first team. He's a good player, Billy Gilmore. Everybody knows it. He's Chelsea's next big one from the midfield position. Here is Billy Gilmore. What a player. Hopefully he can turn out to be a real deal for us. And on this note, guys, I would like to end the episode. Today has been a cracker of an episode. And yes, then first of all, again, 7 likes is today's aim. If you are not subscribed to the channel already, please do subscribe. And also, let's talk about bit of a player of the episode nominees I'm gonna give you. So I'm gonna give you 3 nominees. This episode, Tammy Abraham, he scored a hat-trick against Crystal Palace. But Callum Hudson-Odoi, he has been on a different planet altogether. And the next one has been Conte. Conte has been damn consistent with his play. Look at this. Conte's stats just speak for themselves. 12 games, 5 goals, 1 assist. So these are the 3 nominees. And yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. So goodbye for now. I'll catch you later.